Good morning, students. This is the video for class 12 students. Students, in the last class, we have discussed the integration by parts. So, in this series, we are going to start integrals of the form of e raised to the power ax into cos bx dx or e raised to the power ax into sin bx dx. Means either this form or this form we will find, and we will see how to integrate these terms. Concept will be same, integration by part. So look at here, we have a question: evaluate e raised to the power x into sin x. So according to the ILATE rule, you see here it is e raised to the power x means exponential function, and sin x is a trigonometric function. The trigonometric function will be first function, and this is the second function. Now what you do, you write here, let the given question is I. Okay, now this is I, this is first. I have written here first, it is first, basically first, and second, it is second. Okay, so this is I. So apply the this integration by part. If you are applying here, it is I equal to first function as it is, sin x as it is, integration of e raised to the power x minus integration differentiation of first function, I mean to say sin x, and integration of e raised to the power x dx. So this is the integration by parts. So here after simplification it will give e raised to the power x, it is going to get cos x e raised to the power x dx. So it is equal to I. So look at this question. After applying the by parts, still the question is as it is. Means earlier it was in sine and e की power x form. Now it has come under e raised to the power x into cos x. Means question is as it is in this form. So again we have to apply the by parts. So what we have to do, just start the by parts again. So if you are going to apply the by parts over here, you know this is again first function and this is the second function. First and second. This is second and this is the first function. So if you are going to apply first function, second, that one, put the bracket here, first function as it is, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ सेकेंड ई रेज टू दी पावर एक्स का इंटीग्रेशन तो ई की पावर एक्स ही होगा, तो डायरेक्टली आप लिख दो, माइनस इंटीग्रेशन डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ फर्स्ट कॉस एक्स का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होता है, माइनस ऑफ साइन एक्स होता है, वो भी डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हो आप. फिर इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ई की पावर एक्स का भी ई की पावर एक्स हो गया डी एक्स. ओके, ब्रैकेट क्लोज हो गया. नाउ if you are going to open this bracket, this not this bracket, so minus sign will make it positive, but it is already minus, so it will come outside. Means I mean to say minus minus plus, then again it will become minus. So it is same as just like our question. Look at here, which I assumed I. So in place of this portion I can write minus I. So here we are going to write minus I. I is here, sin x e raised to the power x minus of cos x e raised to the power x, isn't it? अब दोनों i को एक तरफ इकट्ठा करेंगे तो ये बन जाएगा 2i इज इक्वल टू साइन ऑफ x इंटू ई रेज टू दी पावर x. इसमें इनफैक्ट e की पावर x आप कॉमन ले सकते हो, तो आपके पास आ जाएगा e की पावर x कॉमन आ करके साइन x माइनस कॉस x. ओके, और आफ्टर दैट you can find I equal to e की पावर x upon 2 sin x minus cos x plus c. So this is your final answer, isn't it? So look at this part. What we did, we are going to discuss this form. In this form what we have to do, apply the Eilert rule and do the integration by using by parts. After by parts the problem will remain same because the same question has come. They have given the question in terms of sine, but it has come in terms of cos. Again I apply the by parts rule here. So after applying by parts rule, this cos has become sine again, and ultimately this minus minus plus, then again it will become minus. So this I assumed I. So here I can write minus I. This portion is simplified earlier. I and I, it has become 2i. So the value of I is your answer. So that is e की power x upon 2 sin x minus cos x plus c. So this technique is called this integral in the form of e raised to the power ax into cos x dx form. Okay.